How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to be stripping the chrome bezels on the 370Z headlamps. For that we're going to be using a degreaser and water solution. We bought the product from Home Depot. This is what we're going to be using right here. This is about $10 per bottle. I bought 2 of them and I have put it on this bucket, and we're gonna be dipping the chrome bezels inside this solution to strip the chrome. This specifically says do not use on chrome. It's not meant to strip chrome. It's a clean solution, and I guess that's the reason why it takes the chrome off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you at the end. Alright, here we go. These are now completely clean. Let's give them a quick rinse. So the directions in the bottle for that degreaser explain that needs to be diluted, but that's for cleaning. What we're doing here is stripping the lights. So I don't have enough there so that I can dip the 370Z lights entirely. So I'm gonna add some water. I'm kind of winging this thing here. I don't know if it's gonna work. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that in this bucket because I think I can fit those lights here better. Let's give it a try. Kind of. Alright, so it looks like I'm just gonna have to do it like this. I'm gonna add water to it and see how it goes. Hopefully, I mean, I guess it might take longer because it's diluted, but at least I'll be able to dip this at least maybe the entire way, and then just flip them. This thing works pretty quick. Look, it just started taking it off right there. So let's add some water and see how it goes. So I think it's this thing, I'm gonna have to mix it. I want the contents to be sitting on the bottom. As you see, it was all the way down here, this color. Now it's all the way up here. Alright, so we have filled the remaining of the bucket with water. Let's go ahead and dip this into the solution. Hopefully by adding water we didn't prevent this from working on taking the chrome off. This is not meant to take chrome off, it's meant for cleaning. The bottle specifically says not to use it on chrome. I'm guessing because it takes it off. So hopefully by adding water we didn't mess anything up. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and let it sit like that for, I would say, 20 minutes. Then we're gonna come back, take it out, see what happened, and we're gonna flip it to do the other side.
A few moments later.
So this has been sitting here for, I would say, about 20 minutes to half an hour. Most of the chrome is gone on the bottom. That is not really chrome, it's more like a paint. It's also coming off, but it's taking longer. I'm gonna flip this thing to take this this chrome out of this side, and I'll come back to it afterwards. Not all of it is being submerged. So what I found is, if you get one of these brushes and you brush this degreaser on the chrome, it will start to take it off. I can also add some water. Let's add some water so that it covers all of it. But if you have a bucket that is not too deep and you cannot get the water or the degreaser to cover everything, you can use one of these and just brush it. But in this case, it's easier to do it this way. Alright, so this bezel is completely done. Let's clean this one up. Make sure there is no chrome left. So the only thing that I see that is not coming off is this thing. So I repeated the same process on every single bezel, and I was able to remove all the chrome out of every single part that is inside this light that had chrome. The next step is going to be to sand and prep these bezels so we can go ahead and get it painted gloss black. Really surprised to learn that the inside of these lights is completely transparent. It has no color, as you can see. I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm thinking it's going to look awesome on the 370 when I put it back on, and I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today's video. On the next video we will be painting the inside of these bezels gloss black. I hope you guys find all this information helpful, and if you do, please click the subscribe button. It will be really helpful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next